Ambassador, Kapitan. Everyone meet Kapitan. Kapitan is a Philippine hawk eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the local barangay captain of Baguio district. Thus his name, Kapitan. Kapitan over here is a gray-headed fish eagle. And what does fish eagle eat? That's right, fish. Now let's try to see if we can lure Jericho with a fish. Alright, great job, Jericho. So Brian over here is a Philippine eagle owl. Philippine eagle owls are endemic in the Philippines.